Alright, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time coming to the channel or just bopping to us, I say a very big welcome to you. A quick one, don't forget we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere. UK, Canada, Asia country, we ship everywhere. And also we have a logistic company also, Austin Global Logistic, So whatever you want to ship, we can ship for you. Aside skincare or organic recipe, all that we ship, and we ship at lower rates. We work with the airlines direct. So okay, our people, they say make I speak pidgin for them, so I will be trying as much to use pidgin also, so that in as much I try to speak across the globe and then cut across the globe also. I will also bring my English down, so make I speak pidgin for now well. So now I go to hear am at the summer, so now go know see me I speak pidgin, okay? So a lot of us, we just love this bleaching thing, but you don't know that bleaching, skincare, bleaching your skin, you gotta be careful, very, very careful. Now see this picture I'm flashing to you. Now this picture is gonna stay all through. You can see the picture. You see what this woman don't do to herself because of bleaching. And when you're bleaching, you love bleaching, you want to look touche, you want to look sweet for whoever you want to look sweet to. You don't forget you guys to use original products. And I beg una, my people, make una they use original products, because it's very, 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 very matter to me. If I see you, they use original product. See this woman face now. I don't know it. Now only God know the kind of lotion when she don't use, when it make her. And I just see am, make una learn from her. But that one will still be anything, because I still be like that. So I feel still clean them off. You understand? Before you go on the turn to skin cancer, make I just quickly help her life. So that thing you're seeing there, not be just one day thing. She don't use those creams or whatever according to her take. So don't forget, if you're having a problem like this, contact me. Just contact me. I'll get that face clean off. No doubt that. But not be one day, because on that one I love one day things. Now in put on. Now one day things. Now put that lady there. She just want to get white one day. She can't go buy fake products. Now put on for that place when she did. So in a quick one, I just want you to understand that we can clear that. Alright? We can clear that. We have some new oils on board. That's why I want to. I love traveling a lot. And when I travel, I make sure I look for the best source of their oil, best product in skincare, and buy. Are you getting it? Now make me one show now. See am. You see am? This is Moscow oil. This Moscow oil, get how your skin take day. No get how your skin take day. Say e rough, you get some burn. You see that woman face. Now this Moscow oil, now I don't use to treat the face. Are you getting it? Now this Moscow oil. So hopefully I will show now result when the face don't clear. I just purposely show this picture so that you guys can see it. And when the face don't clear, I will show now also. So this Moscow oil, it does a lot of things. It does a lot of things. This oil, you can use it to mix your soap. You can use it also to mix, your shower gel. Small. And that's where you turn and put so that you not go kill the vibe, so that you not go make the thing no foam. Just small. Alright? And this one also, you can use them to mix your lotion. And also you can use it to mix other oils. Are you getting it? And in here it has been regulated, the the pH level. The pH level has been regulated. So it's not that when you want to use and you will be using some of that to try to control the pH level. The pH level of this oil has been regulated. So you can step out any time of the day. You can use it any time of the day, and you can walk through any time of the day. You can be in AC, you can be out of the AC, you can be under the sun, because it has its own sun block. Not now. It has its own sun block. Alright? So if you're looking for the right oil, I told you guys, I don't know why I'm repeating this again when I've told you before. I know a lot of you will be thinking, should I buy for him? If you don't buy for me, who you go buy for? If you don't buy from me, who will you buy from? And that's why I'm asking you. Yes. You won't go buy that one when you don't work that day again. Do you want to go buy the one you've gotten before that is not working? You really want to do that? Can you risk that? No. You can't afford to be losing money. All this money you've been losing. Why not patronize the right channel? You come every day, you just pop up and out, and then you're like, should I buy from him? Should I buy from me? I know you'll be thinking that right now. Make a bold step. Get the right oil, the right cream for your skin. If you need 1 week skin oil, 1 week skin lotion, 1 week skin soap, come to me. Get it from this channel. We're not joking. We're here to help people. It's not the money only. Alright? In as much this oil, they are expensive, but they work. They work. Because now you can see that face. You are seeing that face. I keep hammering on this face. It's bad product that she used. Bad product that she used that caused that. And so and that can develop to skin cancer. So why not let's help ourselves and use the right product. Instead, when they call price for you, you say, oh, okay, I will get back to you. You will keep getting back to those people. You will keep, unless you buy, you will keep, some of them I just block them. When I hear I will get back to you. Why did you ask me at the first place? I block you direct. I don't do that. Get back to me. You could have just said straight up that, please, I want to make inquiry. Don't like, I want to buy, you're using this language. I want to buy this. No. I said, nah, them. I understand this was 2 naira oil that they look for 1,000 naira oil. No, please avoid those WhatsApp training of 1,000 naira. We contribute to 10,000. I can keep doing that and I will be building mansions with your 1,000 naira. But what will it profit me at the very end when I'm teaching you what I don't use? I'm teaching you what I don't even know about. I'm just sharing ideas that I have no idea of. I mean, come on. We not that heartless. I can't eat your money like that and then I'll be like, oh. No. That is why I'm telling you this oil. Moscow oil is number 1. I was opportune to be at Moscow based on business trip and I went to jam this oil. In fact, I went to the factory. It's a factory fitted, and I got it. All right, and this is 2 weeks plus now that I got the oil. Testimonies everywhere. All right, just that some people they know they agree. Oh, may you upload their picture. The reason why I upload that picture for there, this one is beyond a lesson. That make me just put on there. All right. So please, if you need a very smart oil, count on me. A very smart oil, count on me. That's that. Now I want to show you something. Somebody used a preservative on his premixing, but yet the cream got sour because it wasn't a preservative. Or if it's a preservative, it's not strong enough. All right, and that's why I told you that there are original products. What are we even looking for? For all those cheap things, because when they just say cheap, oh yeah, you take a plate of cheap. Cheap things will wreck you, will send you to poverty. Are you not tired of buying those cheap products and you'll be losing customers? That is why I'm telling you, this preservative is original. This is a preservative. I will not call the name, because some of all these things I keep calling the name. After, instead of you coming to buy from me, you will go and buy from those cheap people, and when you get there, you will now ask them the name of that preservative or the name of the product I call. And those people, because they need your money, they would now say yes. If this was, if you say Austin Global said, hey, there's one oil I'm looking for, they say Shakara oil. Do you have it? I have it. They will not sell rubbish for you. I was surprised when somebody was telling me, I got this product from so place, yellow CC product from so place, and then what happened? He was like, you know, it's like, what happened? I got it, and then it's working slow. Where did you get it? And I get it in Cameroon. Yellow CC product in Cameroon. Is that Cameroon yellow CC product that will Cameroon you if you don't change your ways? Today is a preaching, not only just marketing or no. Today is a preaching, because you guys just keep doing this. I mean, it's weird, wasting money. I'm the only person who produce those oils: Shakara oil, Blema oil, Malawi oil, Irish oil, yellow CC oil. Now I've gone to Moscow and I brought this Moscow oil. You will see, oh, trust me, those people, even all those big names, also in Instagram, you will see them too. They will be claiming that they also have Moscow oil. Oh Jesus! You know, these people, they are very funny. So that is why I'm presenting you this preservative. Make it an option for your cream to survive, for your products to survive. Make it an option. Now, for some of us, that when we produce our cream, the cream will be getting darker. I have a solution for you, and the solution, there's no name. I'm not giving it a name. There's no a name. No name. In fact, the name of this product is no name. But when you use it, it will save the life of your cream or your soap or whatever you produce that have this, what is it called, that change colors. So it's no name. No name. Right? And other than that, I just want you guys to know that I'm only trying to protect my business, right? Because I don't want anybody to say, I bought this, is not working, I bought that. It's not mine you bought. Because every other thing you do that is good is me. But the one you do ain't no good, not be me, because I know of that thing. Not be me you buy it from, alright? So I appreciate you all for the lesson today that we just got through now, right? So if you need all these things, you want us to ship to you in anywhere you are, to one hand. I get it. We have our own logistic company also that we use to deliver. So please, guys, have this in mind. Put it in your heart. Go through it. Ponder it. Package it very well for your brain and buy from us. All right? Okay.